Yo, what's up, Team RTT? How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So, Israel the Trading here, and thank you very much for checking on us today. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some secrets or tips of how you can actually get started trading Forex with $0 and even make up to $1 million, $100, $1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, and all of that. So, I'm going to be sharing with you guys because some of you have been asking me these questions of how you can get started with $0, or some of you are asking, what if I have $0? How am I going to be approaching the market? Or what if I'm now starting in the market? How am I going to be approaching it and all of that? So a whole lot of bunch of questions that you guys have been asking me and all. So today, definitely that's what I'm going to be answering with you guys. So if that's what you're interested in right now, make sure you like the video, share with your friends and family, sit down, relax, and let's get straight into the video, guys, without wasting any of your time. All right, guys, so here we go now with the first step. Oops. The mic doesn't want me to talk and all of that, so it is what it is, guys. So yeah, the first step I have for you guys to know on how you can actually get started with $0 and even scale up to like $1 million and all of that is for you to actually get the right tools first. What do I mean by the right tools? Definitely you shouldn't be expecting you, or I should not be expecting you to actually place a trade on maybe button phone and all of that. Definitely you need the right tools. So you need actually either Android phone or iOS device. And of course, you have to have laptop. And if you can actually have laptop, then your iOS or Android device is fine by that. So, this is 21st century, guys. Come on, you will not tell me that you don't actually have either Android phone or iOS device. So definitely, you must have one. If not, I shouldn't be expecting you to watch this video, because how are you going to watch this video without you having either Android or iOS device? So yeah, I'll assume that you have iOS device or Android device, right? So if you're on Android, you just go to Play Store and download what we call as MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, because these applications will enable you to actually place your trade on your mobile device, right? So apart from that, you need to actually download what we call as Trading View as well. So these are the things that will actually get you started, when it comes to like learning, or when it comes to like starting to trade Forex with $0 and all of that. So what you're going to be doing on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and Trading View will enable you to actually do your analysis and all of that. It has a whole lot of advanced features that you can actually do to do your technical analysis and all. So MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 will enable you to place trade. So you open a demonstration account or a demo account. That's where you actually start to learn, practice, and all of that. So these are the few things that you need in order for you to get you started in the Forex industry and all of that. So with that being said, let's go to step 2, guys. All right, here we go now with the second step, guys. I don't know if this is going to be like having 5th step, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or whatever, but this is the second step that will enable you to start from $0 to $1 million and all of that. So the second one is you getting the right knowledge. How do you get the right knowledge without getting mentors? You can actually start out like by watching YouTube videos. There's a whole lot of YouTube videos out there. My YouTube is there as well. You can just go down and check for all the videos and all of that. There's a whole lot of information out there. But how do you actually get the right information? Don't actually try to like source out for different information from different channels and all, because if you try to do that, definitely you just end up messing around with your mindset and you won't be able to know what is actually working and what is not working and all of that. So I would advise you to actually look out for a mentor that you feel okay, this particular person, I can learn it from him and all of that. I'm not saying you should opt in for mentorship and pay money. You just go on YouTube, you see a whole lot of different tutorials on how you can actually get started with Forex trading and all of that. So you getting the right knowledge matters a lot, and I have to share this with you guys. babypips.com. So if you go on babypips.com, definitely it's free of charge with paying $0. So it's very, very helpful, guys. So it will enable you to like know what the market is doing, know how the market is operating, and all of that. So it's very important you go on babypips.com and learn everything that you need to learn, or everything that you can learn there as well. It's very, very important, guys. So yeah, that will move us to third step of how you can actually start with this $0 and make up to $1 million and all of that. So yeah, let's go, guys. All right, guys, so this is the third step of how you can actually start making money with $0 when it comes to forex trading and all of that. Yeah, so this third step, guys, what I want you to do is you start something that we call affiliate marketing. So different brokers, different firms and all of that have what they call affiliate marketing, where you can send your links to some people. If they make purchase via your link, definitely you get commissions and all of that. So let's say, for example, somebody bought firm accounts of like $5,000 using your link, and with that, if you have like 10% commission on that, that's $500. So with that $500, you can actually buy $100,000 account with that. So buying $100,000 account, you passing it the phase 1 and phase 2, then getting funded with it, you know that you didn't actually pay 5 naira or $5 to get that particular account. It's free account, right? It's free account, free money, passed it phase 1, past phase 2. Then your goal is to get like maybe 10% profit on that $100,000 account. So 10% profit on $100,000, that's $10,000. And if that particular firm gives 80% to traders and take 20%, then you are getting $8,000 from that with $0, right? So affiliate marketing will actually enable you to get affiliate commissions, whereby you can use this commission and purchase accounts with that very commission and from that very firm and all of that. So the next thing that I'm going to be telling you is participate in giveaways. There are different people that organize giveaways on maybe X, IG, Facebook, and all of that. So even on YouTube, people do organize giveaways, right? So participate in that. It will actually cost you $0 to participate in giveaways. So participating in that will enable you to stand a chance of winning that particular giveaway. And of course, if you win it, be it a cash prize, be it a funded account, be it a deposit into your broker, definitely it's a win for you, right? Without you paying $1. So that's $0 in payment. So if it's a funded account, do the same thing, pass it, get withdrawal and all of that. So if it is a deposit to your own broker, then just trade it, maybe flip the account to like whatever amount is X1, X2, X3, X10 and all of that. So it is very, very important you do that in order for you to get some money and scale up from there. So I don't know if you guys understand what we refer as compound interest. There's something they call compound interest. You can compound interest on that particular amount that you have and all of that. So it's very, very important if you start from there and scale up to like $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $500,000, and even $1 million. So it is very, very important, guys. That's why I'm making this video, to kind of open your mind, open your eyes, so that you can actually get started with $0 and all of that. So it's very, very important. So with that being said, guys, I don't want to waste much of your time, so I will stop here, and maybe we'll continue in our next video and all of that. So with that being said, I'm Israel the Trader. Thank you very much for checking on us today, and if you find this video very helpful, make sure, like I said earlier, you share with your friends and family, give this video a thumbs up, and of course make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because when I upload our next video, definitely you will be notified and watch the video as well. So it's very, very important. So with that being said, I'm still Israel the Trader. I'm signing out, guys. So see you guys in our next video. Peace out.